Hey, what is up, guys? It's Fusion here, and welcome back to a brand new video. So, guys, this is gonna be episode 4 of Minecraft Survival, Minecraft Pocket Edition. So, yeah. So, guys, since the last episode, I went to the Nether, fell in lava, and died. A lot has happened since then. Let me show you something. As you can see, oh my god, that's scuffed. You can see so many cows right there. I made that cow farm, and yeah, I harvested a lot of wheat and gave them a lot of time to breathe. I also set up these two more campfires and some furnaces. As you can see, another chest. And guys, I did a lot of mining and a lot of bartering with the piglins. After I died, I I went back to the Nether after making some stone tools. I went back to the Nether. I mined a lot of gold, and I did so much trading. As you can see, I have 59 Nether quartz. I have soul speed 2 iron boots. I have crying obsidian, and yeah, guys, I got a lot of glowstone dust, and that's why I could make this respawn anchor. I know this kind of works, with you need to charge it up with glowstone, but guys, I don't want to place it down right now. I don't know if it's mineable with the iron pickaxe. Yeah, as you can see, now I have iron tools because there was a ravine somewhere in the Greenlands, where the green is there. I went mining. Yeah, so that's a place. But guys, you want to know something? What I did? Good thing, as you can see, there's a fletching table over there that I placed. I made a kind of a, for some trees, a place for trees, a garden for trees, a small one, because I don't want to have to go there all the time if I want to get wood. But that's okay. I will place more trees over here. I don't know why I made this tower up. That's a desert village. But guys, that's the thing. Now for the big surprise, I have to show you guys. Wait a second, let me just MLG down this tower. Okay, that's perfect. Oh, you can't see that. I will show you guys in just a minute. If you're wondering why I'm looking down, because I don't want to show you guys that what I have done. So guys, and actually I killed a lot of cows too, and I cooked them up on the you know campfire, so I could get a lot of cooked beef. I mined some iron, and yeah, guys, actually this forest over here, I can't show you guys. These forests over here had a lot of beehives, so I kind of sheared them. My shear broke. I don't know why, but it broke. So yeah, I made 5 beehives, and yeah, guys, I got iron boots with soul speed 1. You know, so yeah. Oh, oh no, I didn't want to show you guys. Okay, as you have seen, this is my new house. This is the big change that I did. This is my house, my new house. And guys, it took a lot of hard work. I had to like sit down about 3 to 4 hours straight to make this house. I made this design thing. I had to get a lot of wood. As you can see, in the front I set up a station like this. I had to make 4 sets of tools just for this. I set this up. You can see this. I made doors, and most of my supplies ran out. I set up some beds, I set up some furnaces to make glass. I had like 4 stacks of glass. And guys, I'm going to make, as I have nether quartz and I have sand, and I think you need wooden slabs to make daylight sensors. And if you just click daylight sensors, you can make them night light sensors. That's really helpful. I can make kind of like um, automatic light system, as you can see. 3 glass blocks at the top, 3 nether quartz in the middle, and 3 wooden slabs at the bottom. I will make those, and I will make some redstone lamps. What does it take to make a redstone lamp? I need to see that. Redstone. Oh, okay. I think I will be needing to go. I need to go to the nether for that. I don't have a lot of glowstone. I just have a lot of glowstone dust. As you can see, guys, I am not finished setting up this house. I just finished with the interiors. And yeah, guys, I need to set up a chest and enchanting area here. Whenever I get another diamond, guys, I got a lot of obsidian from the blacksmith. Yes, there was a blacksmith in my that desert village. I hadn't just seen it on the camera, but when I was doing some mining work and I came back from that ravine I was talking about, I was on my tower smelting the stuff, and what happened is that I saw there was a that iron bars and lava. I thought, wait, could that be a blacksmith? That would be so useful. And guys, yes, I found an iron pickaxe there. Oh oh no, oh no, I need to run. Why are they hitting me for? What did I do? Oh god, they're still chasing me. They're still chasing me. Oh no, I need to run. 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 Oh my god, I could die. I could die right here. Guys, I don't want to die. I need to go down. I need to go down. Bees can't come underwater, right? Yes, they can't. Yo. Yo. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. 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 Why are so many bad things happening right now? Oh. Wait. There's an iron golem there? Yes, I can go. I can go. I need to go. As you can see, this cow farm is super scuffed. I need to go. I've placed this, I was trading and I placed this fletching table. I made it and placed it. Yeah, so I need to go up. I need to sleep right now. Right here, right now. I could die. I could have died. Oh god. That was stressful. That was really stressful. That was so stressful. As I could have died right there. Those bees, they could have killed me. And yeah, guys, I have a lot of iron. I just need to smelt some more. Yes, I will be doing a lot of stuff. Wait, first, do I have a crafting table? Yes, do I have? Okay, I MLG down. Wait, oh, that's string. There's a string. And guys, I got a lot of iron. That's why I made some iron golems. I know I should have made some armor for myself, but I had to make some iron golems because all the villagers kept getting killed by all the husks. You call them husk, I think. They're desert zombie, and I don't like them because personally when they hit you they give you the hunger effect, which I don't want. So yeah, guys, as you can see, I have not done anything yet in this episode, but I've just been running around. But guys, I need to finish up with the interiors right now. So guys, you will be seeing me doing a lot of work. I need to make a lot of chests, make some. Okay. And guys, I don't worry, I have a lot of wood. I can work with it. I need to make more chests. I need to make a crafting table. I should make more wooden planks. 4. Let me make them for 6. Okay, I have enough. I have 10 chests. Okay, that's good. Now guys, I'll be using this upper area as my storage area. Oh, why did I place it like that? Okay, that's cool. And there's that. I have a line of chests. I made a crafting table. I can place a crafting table right here. Oh god, what am I doing? What do I need to make next? Yeah, a loom. I think I can make a loom. Wait, I just saw it. Yes. Oh, I could use a loom, whenever I need to get banners and stuff. And yeah, guys, I will be needing to make a, farm right here. I will be making a bridge over this water first thing. After some time, it will take me some time, but I will be doing a lot of stuff. So guys, and the last episode was so long. Hey pig, what you doing? I just don't want to kill it. As you can see, there here is not there. I was telling you about the beehives. There were no beehives there. Here are the beehives. Oh my god, they're filled with honey. As you can see, those things you can see, those are honey. Oh my god. Wait. Okay. So guys, yeah. I will be done with the interior decorating in the next episode with the house. I need to make 4 furnaces to be exact. And there's also there are also blast furnace, you know, with the in the village. So yeah, I will be bringing. Why does this keep happening to me? I will be bringing that. So guys, I think yeah, that is all for this episode. I know I didn't do much in this episode, but that's all. So for the first time, I'm not abruptly cutting the episode. So guys, goodbye.